Alrighty, in this video I'm just going to show you how to set up the printer preferences for printing with Photoshop with our ink. So I've got my design in here, just opened up to the proper size. We'll go ahead and start up here. We'll click File at the top. We'll scroll down to Print. It's going to open up a dialog box here for us. The first little section we're going to look at is this section in the middle. It says Color Management. By default, I believe it's set to Printer Manages Color. If you're just using the Epson IJ printer profile with your Epson 7710 or 7720, you can allow the printer to just manage it if you're happy with those colors. If you're using something else, a different ICC profile, you're going to click that drop down and you're going to click on Photoshop Manages Colors. Then the next section, you're going to, underneath that printer profile, you're going to click that drop down menu and you're going to select from the list the new profile that you want Photoshop to be managing. So the color profile that I like for our prints is going to be this sub 028 color test. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. I'm going to leave all the rest of this stuff the same. So I'm not going to change the rendering intent or the printing mode or anything like that. So this section right here is done. Right here it says remember to disable the printer's color management in the print setting dialog box. So we're going to go to print settings here at the top and it's going to open up a box here. This looks extremely familiar to you if you've ever printed or used Silhouette for printing, or if you watched the last video, it's the exact same thing. This is your actual printer properties. So in this box, like I said before, we like to use plain white paper, not bright white. I know a lot of people use this premium presentation matte. We don't. Quality, you're going to make sure it's set to you're going to click the more settings and make sure it's set to the highest possible quality and click OK. All the rest of this information here leave the same. Make sure your document size is set to the proper size that your printer is printing, that the paper you're printing on. The next section you're going to click on is this More Options tab at the top. I believe it's set to automatic as the standard. We're going to change that over to custom and we're going to click on advanced, and then in advanced we don't want it to be set to anything up here. We want to do no color adjustment. If you have any of these things set, that's not following what the initial box says. So your printer's still going to try and manage based off of its settings, and you're not going to get the right print colors. So we're going to click no color adjustment. So the printer is not trying to adjust anything. And then click OK. Again, down here at the bottom, we've got high speed. We leave high speed checked. I know a lot of people uncheck it. We've never had any issues with pinwheels with it being checked, so we just leave it checked. Otherwise it takes forever for your prints to come out. And then click mirror image. That way when you're printing and you're pressing on whatever you're pressing on, you're wrapping on a tumbler, that your image will come out clear. If you don't click mirror image, it'll be backwards when you print it and press it, so it won't work properly. So now that you've got all that done, we'll go ahead and click OK, and it'll come back to this, and then you're ready to print. You've now officially changed to allow Photoshop to manage your colors. You've changed your color profile to the profile that you like the best, that you found works the best, and you can just go ahead and click print. It's going to pop up and you'll have mine just popped up and said that the size is too big. I think my paper size is bigger than what I have loaded in the computer, or in the printer, but nonetheless it's printing out now, and that's all you need to do to change the color size. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know here on the video, or message me through Facebook, and Thank you very much. Have a great day.